Why salary negotiation matters in tech.
Negotiating your salary is an important step in advancing your tech career. Accepting an initial offer without discussion can leave money and benefits on the table. Employers often expect candidates to negotiate, and doing so can have a lasting impact on your income, benefits, and job satisfaction. Understanding how to negotiate effectively puts you in a stronger position from the start.
Researching the market value of your role.
Know what your skills are worth by researching salaries for similar tech roles in your area and industry. Use resources like salary surveys, online platforms, and professional networks. Consider your experience, education, certifications, and the company's size. Coming prepared with realistic, data-backed salary expectations will help you negotiate with confidence and ensure your requests are reasonable and well justified.
Timing and strategy. When and how to start.
Timing matters in salary negotiations. Wait until you have a formal job offer before discussing compensation. Express your excitement about the position and ask for time to review the offer. Approach the conversation respectfully and professionally. Be clear about your expectations, but also listen to the employer's constraints and priorities to find common ground during your negotiations.
Negotiating beyond salary, benefits, and perks.
Compensation is more than just salary. Tech roles often include benefits like flexible hours, remote work, stock options, bonuses, training allowances, and more. Consider negotiating these aspects as part of the overall package. Sometimes employers have more flexibility in benefits than base pay. So be prepared to prioritize what matters most for your work-life balance and career goals.
Closing the deal with confidence.
Once you reach an agreement, express your appreciation and ask for the final offer in writing. Review all terms carefully before accepting. If you need more time or clarification, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, negotiating respectfully strengthens your professional reputation. Securing a fair offer sets you up for success as you start your new tech role.